What's the name of this dance? The Crazy Eight? The Crazy Daisy. We're going to see the Crazy Daisy, y'all. Good job there, Ben. I was driving through Georgia in late July on a day hot enough to make the devil's high. Saw a homemade sign written in red, Ryan County Watermelon Festival ahead. Well, I wasn't in a hurry, so I slowed down, took the two-lane road to a one-horse town. There was a party going on. When I got there, I heard a welcome speech from a small town mayor. Here they go, the Crazy Daisy. Yeah, we got 100 gallons of sweet red wine, made the biggest watermelons on the vine. If yourself to somebody, pay the law. If you drink, don't drive, do the watermelon call. The band started playing the Watermelon Queen. Said, let me show you something that you ain't never seen. She had me by the arms and won't let you go. He jumped around and we know she dove. She went back on her heels and dropped down to her knees, crawled across the floor and then she jumped back on her feet. She wiggled and she jiggled, the all you ever saw. Said, this is how you do the watermelon crawl. Yeah, we got 100 gallons of sweet red wine, made from the biggest watermelons on the vine. If you sell to some, pay the law. If you don't drive, do the watermelon crawl. If you're down in Georgia in July, I think that you ought to stop by. I know you're gonna have a ball learning how to do the watermelon crawl. Last time we're Oklahoma, yeah, we got 100 gallons of sweet red wine, made from the biggest watermelons on the vine. If you sell to some, bottle pay the law. If you don't drive, do the watermelon crawl. Yeah, the watermelon crawl. Woo, the watermelon crawl. Yeah, the watermelon crawl. The Crazy Daisy. Dear, and it keeps them all pearly white. Just a jackknife has old black teeth, dear, and it keeps it out of sight. When the shark bites with his teeth, dear, scarlet billows, yeah, they start to spread. Fancy gloves wears old black teeth, dear, so there's not a single trace of red. Jenny Bennett answer guitar trade, Monty Python, oh, and his Lucy Brown. Yeah, the lonely phones on the right, baby. I'm at the back, the knife is back in town. All right, here's a Tennessee song for you. Pardon me, boy, is that Chattanooga choo-choo? Track 29. Yeah, boy, give me a sign. Well, I can't afford to ride the Chattanooga choo-choo. I've got my fare on out of penny to spare. Well, you hold the Pennsylvania State. Going out tonight, feeling alright. Gonna let it all hang out. Gonna make some noise, really raise my voice. Yeah, we're gonna scream and shout. No inhibition, make no conditions. Get a little out of line. I ain't gonna act politically correct. I only wanna have a good time. The best thing about being a woman, it's the prerogative to have a little fun, yeah. Oh, go totally crazy, forget all Ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Yeah. Backstreet Boys are eating their heart out right now. Am I your fire? You want inside you? Yes, I know it's too late, but I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache, ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Now I can see that we're falling apart from the way that it seems to be. Yeah, no matter the distance, I want you to know deep down inside of me. Yeah, ain't nothing but